Hey friends! Ever tried jumping into a Discord chat only to find out you can't connect? Maybe Discord's blocked in your country, or you got hit with a ban from a server. It's super frustrating, right? Don't worry. Today, I'll recommend a VPN for you and show you exactly how to use a VPN to get back on Discord, whether it's a government ban or an IP ban. If this helps you get back online, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. So why do you use a VPN for Discord? Here are some key reasons. The first one is bypass geo-restrictions. Discord is completely banned in countries like China and the UAE. Even schools and offices often block it. A VPN masks your real location, making it seem like you're accessing Discord from a permitted country, like the US or UK. Second, VPN helps avoid IP bans. Got IP banned on Discord? Even if you create a new account, the ban sticks to your IP. A VPN gives you a fresh IP address instantly. No more "you're banned" errors. The third one is about improving security and privacy. Discord leaks your IP in voice chats. On public Wi-Fi, hackers can see your traffic, including DMs. A VPN encrypts everything, keeping your conversations private and secure. Last but not least, boost your internet connection. ISP throttling your Discord calls? A VPN bypasses speed limits, reducing ping for buttery smooth voice chats, critical for gaming. Let's get you back on Discord. Follow these steps to use a VPN for Discord. Pick a VPN and download and install it on your device. We highly recommend UFO VPN for you. You can click the link in the description to learn more and install it. Then, launch UFO VPN on your device. Pick a server where Discord is available, like the United States, Canada, Japan, etc. Tap to connect the UFO VPN on your device. Finally, head to the What is my IP website to check if your IP address has changed. Now, you can open the Discord app on your device. Finally, we'll talk about what to consider when choosing a VPN. Not all VPNs are created equal. Here's what you want. The first one is about privacy. Make sure the provider doesn't keep logs of your activity. Second, speed is also important. Too much lag ruins the chat experience. Third, a good VPN provides a wide server selection. More options mean more ways to get unblocked. Last but not least, good security features. Look for leak protection, kill switches, etc. They will protect your online activities. You've known key factors about a good VPN. UFO VPN meets all needs. With more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries, you can unblock content easily and enjoy browsing, gaming, and streaming anywhere. Sticking to military-level encryption and a stringent no-logs policy, UFO VPN guarantees that your personal information and online activities remain private and secure. Last but not least, all users can access the most optimized VPN proxy servers with a speed test feature, which helps reduce lag and is free from throttling. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN now. That's all about this video. If you think it's useful, please don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips in the future.